Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a power hour clean with me, and I made a list of all of the things I wanted to try and accomplish within this time. I focused on the main living areas and in our first floor only since these get the messiest throughout the day. I'm also going to be setting a timer this time so I can make sure I don't pass that 1 hour mark. So if you need some cleaning motivation today, just keep on watching and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy this type of content. So I always try to start off with putting in a load of laundry first before I get into any of my other cleaning. I just feel I'm knocking out 2 things at once, and once I'm done with my list, I try to get some laundry folded as well. So today's video is also going to be in collaboration with several YouTube mamas and some amazing women that I truly get inspired by. They're also going to be doing a power hour clean with me. So when you're done watching my video, make sure you definitely go check all of them out. I will have all of their channel links in my description box. I would especially like to thank Cheryl from Authentically Cheryl for setting up this collaboration and making this possible. So yeah, I'm going to be showing all of their channel names throughout this video, and yeah, definitely go check all of them out to get some more cleaning motivation. So I try to stay on top of washing our dishes after every meal now, because before I would always let them pile up and it would take so long to get through washing them, you guys, especially since we don't have a dishwasher in our current apartments. I don't mind washing them as much anymore because I don't have a mountain to wash at the end of the day. So now that the dishes are all washed, I'm going to be wiping down all of the kitchen countertops with my favorite method all-purpose cleaner in the scent pink grapefruit. As you all guys probably know by now, I always use this one. I just love the scent of it, and it gets the job done. So the living room wasn't too messy like it usually is, since my boys did help me pick up their toys before they went down for their nap. So all I needed to do was tidy up a bit this time around. If you are new here, I am a stay-at-home mom to twin 2-year-old boys, so you can only imagine how messy this living room really gets. So this coat closet or storage closet that we have in our living room definitely needed to be organized and decluttered. As you can see, I didn't have time to actually tackle it, but my husband and I got to it later on, and we actually were able to clear it all out since we have started packing and will be moving out of this apartment very soon, you guys. So definitely stay tuned for more vlogging videos coming up.
Choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's Power Hour Clean with me. I hope this gave you all some major cleaning motivation today, because I truly do love making these types of cleaning videos for you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here, and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future content. It really does help out my channel. And also, don't forget to check out all of the other mamas I collaborated with in this video. We all have very similar content, and I'm positive you all will enjoy their videos as much as I do. I will have the playlist in my description box down below, as well as up in the cards for you guys to check out when you're done watching my video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.